Hello children, now we are going to learn to write letter N. Letter N. We'll trace the letter N first and we'll learn how to write N. Right? Trace first. Trace letter N till you are sure that you can write alone. Right? Now, once again writing on top of this letter N. Right? Now going to write on top of this dotted line here. N. Okay. N. Now here another N here, that is N, writing on top of this N. Okay, now going to write alone. Okay, I will write here N. N. Okay, yes, that's correct. N. Another N here. N. Okay. N for nose. N for nose. This is letter N. Hope you can write now letter N. Thank you, children.